Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off joins in Roblox in 2025. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So currently we are on Roblox right here. All we have to do is go to the top left section where it's under the app and go to more. This is going to be demonstrated on the application on Windows, but you can do the same on the website or on the mobile device. Once you go to more, click on settings right here. And then from here, you're going to go to the privacy and content restriction. From here, you're going to let it open. And then privacy and content restriction, you're going to go to the visibility and private servers. And then from here, you're going to go to the visibility. And you're going to set it for no one. This way, no one can join you, but you can set it for friends, friends and people I follow, friends, followers and people I follow, or everyone. But to turn it off fully, set it to no one. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.